Hello there. In today's video, I will be showing you a new screen reader. Like you must have heard about TalkBack. Now, TalkBack, okay, about TalkBack. Then you must have heard about Commentary screen reader and many other. There are not many screen readers, but yeah, there are plenty. There are screen readers which you can use. Like you have some options. So now today I'm going to speak about DDS screen reader. Now this screen reader is like it does not have any additional features. It is just a screen reader. It is similar to Google Talkback and it is nothing more than an older version of Talkback. Like now for example, see.
Slower. Faster.
See, when I swipe up or down, slower, faster, this is happening. Now, if I want to change this setting, I have to swipe with 3 fingers. Right? See.
Spoken language. Speech rate. Default.
Okay, like this I have to do with 3 fingers. Then this thing will change. But in earlier talkbacks, it used to be like when you used to swipe with 1 finger up or down, you used to get that links, headings, default paragraphs, like that. So many people are used to that and they are not used to swiping with 3 fingers. So DDS screen reader can be a good option for them. It is nothing but an older version of talkback. So like how the talkback was in long back before. Okay, that is DDS screen reader. So now let's see, let's enable it and see. So now when you install DDS screen reader, you will not have the open button, you will only have the uninstall button. So you have to go to settings and enable it from your accessibility. So let's go to settings.
Notification share. Open setting. As screen recorder. Settings. Search button.
I'll go to accessibility.
Show. Remote. Accessibility. Accessibility. Advanced settings 10 of 14. In list 14 items.
Now we'll go in installed services. In other phones you might have something different, like more downloaded services or something like that.
Advanced settings. Installed.
I'll go to installed services.
Installed services. Navigate up button out of list.
And just like we enable talkback, I will enable my DDS screen reader. Now remember that when whatever settings you change in DDS screen reader also applies to your talkback. So now in my talkback, actually my speech rate is very fast. It's not very fast, it's medium. But when I enable my DDS screen reader, my speech rate will become very fast. I don't know why that happens, but it happens. Now if I were to reduce the speed of that screen reader, the talkback speed will also decrease. So then when I enable talkback again, I'll have to increase my speed again, bring it to normal. So now let me enable my DDS screen reader.
Installed. Accessibility. Audit. Brailleback. Commentaries. DDS screen reader off 5 of 10.
We'll go to DDS screen reader.
DDS screen reader. Navigate up button out of DDS screen reader off switch.
Okay, DDS screen reader off switch. When I click here, I can enable my DDS screen reader. There are settings.
DDS screen reader shortcut 1 of 3. In list 3 items.
So before settings, we have the shortcut. Okay, we can set its shortcut just as we can set talkback's shortcut.
Off DDS screen reader shortcut switch.
So I have kept it off.
Settings 2 of 3.
And then I can go to its settings and set it whatever I want it to be like. Now remember, this settings is similar to talkback's settings, so I won't be showing that to you all because it's similar to talkback's settings, and I have previously made a video on talkback's settings. If you haven't watched it, you can go and watch. And then at the end, see,
when talkback is on, your device provides spoken feedback to help blind and low vision users. For example, it describes.
So as you heard, I stopped it in the middle. It was saying when talkback is on, it provides spoken feedback. Okay, it was saying that. Now see, it is this is only what our talkback also says. Like when we go to our talkback, this is what talkback also says, and that is the same thing what DDS screen reader is saying. And this is also proving to you that this is actually a copy of talkback. You can find it in the Play Store as well. Now this much is only there. See ahead, nothing is there. Okay, now I will enable this.
Navigate. DDS screen reader off. Switch. Allow DDS screen reader to have full.
Okay, this has come. Now we'll allow.
Allow button. Double tap to activate.
Now-
DDS screen reader.
Now my DDS screen reader is on and my talkback is also on. So first I will turn off my talkback.
Accessibility. Talkback off.
Now talkback has been turned off and my DDS screen reader is on.
Recents button. When TalkBack is on, your device provides spoken feedback to help blind and low vision users. For example, it describes what you touch, select, and
Now see, now the speed is same as it was with talkback, but in the afternoon when I had tried this, the speed had increased. Now it is some bug of this screen reader itself, so it might happen with you as well. Now see, when I swipe with one finger,
controls,
controls,
links,
links,
headings,
headings,
paragraphs,
paragraphs,
lines,
lines,
words,
words,
characters,
characters,
default.
default. So like this is like you had with the previous talkback. So if you are not comfortable with Google Talkback now, you can make use of this DDS screen reader.
Characters, words,
Let's read word by word. When I have focused on word, I will swipe.
when,
Talkback.
TalkBack,
Okay, so you can read by word like this.
is, on, your, device, provides,
Okay, now when you want to switch to default, you have to go to
character, default, control, default,
default. And now again,
navigate up, DDS screen reader, on, switch,
okay,
Double
like
tap
this.
to-
Now I'll turn it off.
turn off DDS screen reader,
Turn off DDS screen
turn
reader.
off cancel, button,
Cancel.
turn off, button,
Turn off. So I'll turn it
double
off.
tap to TalkBack off, TalkBack on,
Now as you heard, when DDS screen reader turned on, that time also it said talkback off. So like this, in this screen reader there are many things which are similar to talkback.
as screen recorder, open drawer, but accessibility, selected, back,
Like
selected, back, record, button,
there are many things which are similar to talkback. So like when you have a look at the screen reader, you yourself will understand how it has been designed. So if you want, you can use this screen reader. And this was it for today's video. Until next time, bye bye.
Hi everyone. If you like my video, so please give me a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe. If you have any doubt, then you can write it in the comment section down below. I will try to answer it soon. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.